Welcome to this video demonstrating the backup and restore of an application using labels with TrilioVault for Kubernetes. For this demonstration we have a Kubernetes 1.16 environment with Helm v2 installed. TrilioVault for Kubernetes is installed, and for demonstration purposes we're simply using the host path CSI driver to interact with the persistent volume of our application. We'll first deploy an app consisting of 3 front-end web servers backed by a MySQL server that has a PV attached. We'll list the pods that make up our app and ensure they're in a running state. We can just confirm the PVs are bound to our claim like so, and enable access to this web front end. And here's the familiar Hello World output. Now we're going to back up and protect our application. With TrilioVault we can back up to NFS or S3 based repositories, whether on private infrastructure or public clouds. For this demonstration we've pre-configured a target of AWS S3. A backup plan defines the workload we're backing up and where to. We have specified our application and the backup target that we created in the previous step. Once applied, TrilioVault can then be instructed to back up this workload. We can list the backups that are running in this environment and the status of them with a get backup command. When a backup shows as available, it is complete. We can verify the resources it backed up with the describe command for our job. We'll now restore this application. We'll first check on the status of the backups available to us. For this demonstration, we're going to show TrilioVault restoring our application to a new namespace. We'll create this now. The restore job specifies this namespace that we have created and where our app will be restored to. Applying it simply executes the process of recovering from our backup on S3. We can check on the progress of our restore with a get restores command. After a short while, the application restore will be completed. We can now verify all of the resources that made up our demo app is now restored to our namespace, like so. And we can clearly see the PV is available for use with our MySQL server. Finally, we can expose the services of this fully restored app and see our restored Hello World output. Thank you for watching this video on TrilioVault for Kubernetes.